Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right in. Open your Flipaclip project and pick the layer to change. Tap Transform, then choose the Perspective tool so you can manipulate depth. Drag the vanishing point to where the scene should converge. This defines how the object recedes. Once done, use the grid toggle to see 1/2 or full divisions for reference and pinch to zoom for precision. Make small adjustments first, because subtle moves create believable depth without distorting proportions. Now refine the transformation. Drag each corner handle so edges match the implied perspective lines. This is how you control foreshortening. Use onion skin or duplicate the layer and toggle visibility to compare original shapes as you edit. That helps preserve proportions. If you need consistent scaling across frames, enable 0. 5 snap or a similar constraint. Keep checking the vanishing point. Small shifts change the whole scene. Breathe, nudge, and review until the form reads naturally. Finish by tapping Apply and play the animation to confirm motion reads correctly. If you're animating perspective, set keyframes and adjust the vanishing point progressively so changes are smooth, not jarring. Make sure edges remain consistent between frames by copying adjusted layers when needed. If the image looks skewed or warped, reset the Perspective tool, undo the last step, and reapply with smaller handle movements. This usually fixes distortion. If problems persist, check layer order and canvas scale before redoing the transform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.